In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to increase the font size on your Dell computer, laptop, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. Select accessibility on the left panel, and then on the right side underneath vision, select where it says text size. And there should be a little scroll bar that says text size here. You can drag it to left or right to make it larger or smaller. Drag it to the right to make it bigger, and the preview will adjust up here to reflect that. Select apply to confirm the change, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.